Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of slot. A long, narrow aperture or slit in a machine for something to be inserted. For example, he slid a coin into the slot of the jukebox. The second definition of slot. An allotted place in an arrangement or plan such as a broadcasting schedule. For example, a late-night television slot. American pronunciation. Slot. Slot. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Slot. Say. Slot. Slot means long, narrow aperture or slit in machine for something. Slot. Slot. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Aruna put the disc into the slot, and the machine began to whir. Now, repeat after me. Aruna put the disc into the slot, and the machine began to whir. The second practice. It has to be inserted into a slot inside your PC in order to work. Now, repeat after me. It has to be inserted into a slot inside your PC in order to work.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.